one. Two letters, one word, the meaning of life. Two letters, one word, the meaning of life. Let it stack, we're on the rise. Juiced up profits, hypnotize. Feel the baseline, let it flow. Hands in the air now, lose control. Come on, let's go. Feel that two letters, one word, meaning of life. Let us profits, keep it tight. Let us build, stack it high. Juiced up vibe, we touch the sky. Keep it moving, feel the beat. Dance all night, no need to speak. That's right, let's go. Oh yeah. Two letters, one word, meaning of life. Let us profits, keep it tight. Turn it up, feel it rise. Two letters, one word, hypnotize. Yeah. No limits, let it go. Juiced up profits, now let it flow. Two letters, one word, meaning of life. Let us profits, keep it tight.
Happy Sunday, Lions! How we doing? How we doing? Where my Sunday Lions at? Where my Sunday Lions at? Can I get a ka-chia? All right, let me go get the pen real quick. How we doing? How we doing? Can I kick it with y'all for a little thang? I mean, we all knew about this. Lions, we prepared. Lions, we prepared. We knew about this. How we doing? The timing, impeccable. The preparation, impeccable. God damn, we juicing, boy! A ka-chia! Can I get a ka-chia? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Bruna! All right, let me go get my vape. Let's let us up, chat. Happy Sunday, motherfuckers. Oh wait, never mind. My pen is here.
Money they come, money they go. Aye, but me I go chop, I know fi slow. No way. Wake up, check the charts, big up my bros. My G's, Kimba gang, we they shine, watch how we glow. We lit, no wahala, we they flex. Trade my way to bigger checks. See my table, it be set. No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. Right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let you stack and I'm on no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Aye. Who juicing? Who juicing? Kimba gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah. More profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Who juicing? Kimba gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah. More profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang. Who stacking? Kimba gang.
Lions, how we doing?
Kimba gang. We no stressing now. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up. On my we they stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Ay, them say Kimba gang to fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an
What
island,
should I
sky
get for
high.
lunch,
No
chat?
stress, we just get by.
What are you guys
I did
eating for
cruise,
lunch?
No time for lose. No way. Life
I
too
want, like,
short,
a
make
really
I
good
choose.
coffee.
More proforts, more moves, more juice. Kimba gang, we don't snooze. We up. Charles they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay.
Moses says Subway. What's going on, Moses? Hey, let me load up the chat real quick and say hello to everybody.
Kimba gang, who stacking?
How you
Kimba
guys
gang,
doing?
Kimba gang, who flexing? Kimba
Dr.
gang,
Manhattan,
Kimba gang.
Cowboy.
We no stressing now, we no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part.
Coke Zero Damon
Counting blessings, stacking profits, living
Shamas.
life. Living life, we going up.
I'm Elise. I'm about to get a croissant, actually. I'm Elise. Vidine, Bergix, Curviz, Javo, Jupy, Sin, King of the Shell, what's going on? Juski, what's going on? Bongo, what's going on? Juski says, who's selling so much BTC on Sunday? Everybody that tried to long. You heard me? Yeah, no real surprises though, right? I mean, is anybody really surprised that they're gonna try to make a big ass gap before ETH? You know, and like we kind of talked about this, but Monday and Tuesday, y'all excited? So I'm here for the CME gap. I sent baby girl shopping, and so she's shopping by herself right now. I bought myself some time to kick it with you guys.
He just told us to be prepared.
And I just want to see where CME opens. And maybe the first 30-minute candle of ETH. And you know there's going to be a gap. So... where we left off Friday stream. I got you. Let me log into my Dink or Twim. But yeah, pretty dope if you ask me. Pretty dope if you ask me, chat. Betty says, that's true, yo, West Coast. I already ate dinner. Dale.
What did he say? He just told us to be prepared.
Yeah, I woke up a little while ago, did a little bit of cardio. Did some work emails. Orban says Kimba on Sunday equals Mega Vala. No, not really. Not really. Yeah, like I said, I just want to see the CME gap, right? So yeah, I mean, if you haven't been watching the last 10 days or so, make sure that you get caught up. For those of you that have been rocking and rolling with me every day for the last couple weeks, I mean, you know what it is. You know what it is. So the preparation for tomorrow, we prepare on Tuesday for Wednesday. We prepare on Monday for Tuesday. We prepare today for Monday. So the first sort of step or the major data point that we should collect is where CME gap opens and how the first 30-minute candle reacts. And then we'll say our see you laters, and then we'll regroup tomorrow morning bright and early, ladies and gentlemen. As you guys can tell, we did not finish the wall mounts of the monitors. Still on my laptop. Ka-choy! Yeah. But how we doing though? How we doing, Lions? Any questions? Anything you guys want to talk about? Who'd you shit? Math is math, ho! Shiba ya!
All about the Nero, yeah, we stack it to the ceiling. Smoking on that lettuce got me higher than the building. 100 rounds loaded, I ain't worried about no feelings. OG in my blunt, all these ops gon' catch the spirit. Pull up in a drop top, sipping on some dirty juice. Plug just hit my line, said he got another move. Trap still booming, we ain't never hit the snooze. Peso after peso, got my pockets looking huge. Juicing up, we don't give a fuck. Stack that green, like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up. Run that money up, 100 deep, we in the cut. Kimber gang, we run it. Lettuce in my lungs, yeah, this pressure hit like Mayweather. Bitches love the gang, cause we ballin' like it's market maker. City on my back, got these streets in a chokehold. Ice up on my wrist, got me feeling like a snow globe. Ain't no capping, this ain't fiction, boy, this real life. Started from the trenches, now my pockets looking real nice. Pull up with the gang, tinted windows, you can't see us. 100 for the fit, dripping sauce like it's Aquafina. Juicing up, we don't give a fuck. Stack that green, like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up. Run that money up, 100 deep, we in the
Happy
cut.
Sunday, ladies and gentlemen. Who mathin'? We mathin'.
Roll it up, pedal up. Yeah. Ain't no sleep, we count bucks. Stack that green, run it up.
Let's go. Baby B, how you doing? Stop Profito, Chauncey, Night Mammoth. Omar, what's going on? Calling noob, let's get it, Medi. Sliced bread, hack dog. Cool Briggs, what happening? Apples, hey, Cool Bricks, I like it. Lag, what's going on? Tia Goog, what's going on? Deus, what's going on? Yeah, I'm just here to see the CME. I wanted to see the CME gap with you guys. Maybe the first 30-minute candle, something like that. Yeah. How we doing? I had to poke my head in, but you know, no surprises though, ladies and gentlemen. What do you guys think? How many of y'all been rocking and rolling with me for the last couple weeks? No real surprises. You know what I mean? So, I mean, we already talked about it on Friday, but hey, you guys excited for tomorrow? U.S. market open for tomorrow? God damn! I mean, like, here, pop quiz, motherfuckers. You guys ready for a little pop quiz? Can we do a little TA? Can we do a little TA? Can we do a little TA up in this bitch? Yeah, I mean, this is gone. Yo. What was the other thing that we were looking at? Yeah, get to it! Probably $12 now. Yeah. 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 Juicy. Juicy. Juicy Maguchi. Juicy Maguchi low. I mean, I'm ready for this shit. You guys ready? Joy, boy. This bitch really gonna happen, chat. This shit really gonna happen, chat. Damn. Damn, you guys excited? Moses, you Gucci? You guys ready to go? Sub Mope? Kareem. It's like all the shit we've been talking about for weeks and months kind of like slowly converging to time of execution and planning and understanding and higher time frame planning. And boy, tomorrow's gonna be I mean, the whole week's gonna be a shit show. Yeah, let's at least clean those lows at the in the gap, right? Let's clean the whole fucking thing, man. Everybody has all the levels marked out. We got the RTH gaps, we got the ETH gaps, we got the single prints, we got the naked point of controls, we got the VWAPs, we got the Kachoi CME gap. Hey, can I get a Kachoi? Can I get an exclamation prepared? Can I get an you know motherfuckers is gonna be freaking the fuck out if it goes to like 76 or 72 or 69 or whatever the fuck, but we're gonna be ready, chat.
My trainer, he told me, he said,
Ooh, yeah.
What did he say? He just told us to be prepared. You know, one thing my trainer, he told me,
Y'all ready?
What did he say?
Yeah.
He just told us to be prepared.
Yeah, yeah.
Kachoy.
Kachoy all day.
I said, are you strong? They said, I'm strong if you strong. I said, we strong then.
Kachoy is the
fuck?
way. Kachoy is the
Didn't I
vibe.
lock these in?
Kachoy. Sato long, that's Kachoy. Sato short, that's Kachoy. Sheesh. Dippo to his back, Kachoy. That's Kachoy. That's Kachoy.
Kachoy!
Kachoy.
Happy Sunday,
Kachoy
y'all!
on them hoes.
Get hype! Get hype!
Kachoy long.
Kachoy!
Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's Kachoy. Kachoy. Baby Kachoy. Sato, that's a Kachoy. Bottom short Kachoy. Top long Kachoy. Kachoy. That's Kachoy. Kachoy.
Latuche,
Kachoy
motherfucker, the
on
Mac
them
is the mouse.
hoes. Hey, Kachoy on the daily.
Daily!
Kachoy if you pay me.
Pay me!
Kachoy if you hate me.
Let's go.
Hey, Kachoy on the daily. I'm Kachoy. Kachoy with me, baby. Kachoy. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Hey, Kachoy on the daily. I'm Kachoy. It's Kachoy, baby. Kachoy. It's Kachoy, baby.
It's Kachoy on a Sunday!
Kachoy.
Let's get it!
Kachoy on them hoes.
I'm gonna get myself a nice little
Kachoy long.
sandwich.
Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's Kachoy. Kachoy. Baby kachoy. Sato that's a kachoy. Bottom short kachoy. Top long kachoy. Kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. All we know is kachoy. Kachoy.
Hey, who are we?
Market makers.
Hey,
Yeah.
Kachoy.
Yeah. Yeah. Kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes.
Should we get a little Nobu for lunch?
Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. Market maker, market smash. That's kachoy. Kachoy. Baby kachoy. Sato that's a kachoy. Bottom short kachoy. Top long kachoy. Kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy
What the fuck is coochies and cream? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. It says cookies and cream.
I kachoy when I walk, eat kachoy when I talk.
Kachoy!
Kachoy when I spend.
Need that caffeine, goddammit!
Kachoy at any cost. Kachoy like a boss. Kachoy when I hit.
Kachoya!
Kachoy when I win.
Jiminy Christmas, man. I gotta get some caffeine, boy. But it's like cold out, so I want to get like a nice warm. Should I just go downstairs and get this myself? Feel like I should just go downstairs and get it myself. It'll be quicker, maybe. Let me see what we got here. Kachoy on the daily. I could just go get a monster, chat. Danny Ballard in the building. Hey! Danny just gifted 10 subs. What's going on, Danny? Danny, did you just get here? Drone Mag says, what's up with this Sunday streams? Should I not be doing them or what? What do you mean? I actually used to do Saturday and Sunday streams all the time during like COVID. And then like, you know, they got a little bit stricter on like the work from home shit, and I like actually had to do work. Baby girl went shopping with her friends. So I'm home by myself. I just finished working out. I mean, if I'm gonna look at the charts, I'm always gonna click on start streaming. I haven't done the wall mounting yet. We didn't get the wall mounts done, and so I'm still laptop streaming. I'll still be laptop streaming tomorrow and Tuesday, I believe. So no desktop stream yet. So kind of a bummer. I don't have my desktop ready to go yet, but yeah, every time, I mean, if I'm gonna watch the charts, I might as well watch it with you guys. So I'm curious, like, I don't know if you've been watching the last couple days. If you've been watching every single day for the last 2-3 weeks, literally no surprises. Am I right, Lions? No surprises. You know, I think in between, on a day-to-day basis, on shorter time frame, sure, like there were long opportunities and short opportunities, but generally speaking,
What did he say?
okay,
He just
and
told us to be prepared.
make sure that you're in the Discord as well. I'm gonna start posting shit in Kimba's Den like every other day, so, you know, like look at what we said, you know, Thursday and Friday, right? No surprises. It's CPI on Wednesday. I don't care if you're more bullish than I am. Some of you guys are going to be, you know. Some people are going to try to long 76, 74, 72, all the way to 69. No problem. Some people are not going to long until we get to 70 or 72. Like, there's a lot of people talking about 69, 70. And, like, if if enough of y'all motherfuckers is waiting for 69, then we're gonna get a bounce at 74. It's just the way it is, chat. You know what I mean? 72, yeah, if look, the whole point of the market is to punish as many people. So it's gonna liquidate a bunch of motherfuckers and it's gonna leave behind a bunch of motherfuckers. And you know it's gonna be hella quick or it's gonna be hella slow, you know? And so really the whole thing is to just not get blinded by your own subconscious bias and make sure to read the data. Have levels ready to go. Most of you guys have been around long enough to know that if it's really gonna be bullish, then the best way to know it's gonna be bullish, it's gonna leave your ass behind. You should always be suspicious if you're in the long, right, chat? You know you're gonna get round tripped. I feel like most of us have been around long enough to know that it's either gonna be hella quick or hella slow. Like one of those, oh my God, it front ran me. Hey, Kimba, do you think it could still make another low? Hey, do you think it's a trident? It's either gonna be that, or it's gonna be, oh my God, I've been longing all fucking week. And the 9th long that I decide not to take, it fucking pumps. You know it's gonna be one or the other, chat. So you better get your head out of your ass, keep it on a swivel, and let's do the damn thing. CPI on Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday, we want to try to get into a position, but even if we do, we know that the initial move is Jamaica could get us on Wednesday. So, okay. Let's get the levels. I mean, my levels really haven't changed. I don't think it has for most of us, but no real surprises. And in the spirit of being prepared, the week kicks off with CME resumption, does it not? Let's see where the gap opens at. Is it inside RTH gap? Is it not? What kind of structure does it do? Is it a dip the tip and go? So baby girl will probably come home right around the time CME gap opens. And yeah, we'll just see where it is. I want to see the first 30-minute candle close. And then I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. But yeah. If the desktop PC was already ready to go, I probably would be doing a poker tournament right now. You dig?
Yeah. Yes.
So, yeah, but can you guys, for those of you that, regardless of where your bias was on a smaller time frame and day to day, can I get an exclamation prepared in the chat for every single lion that feels like you're ready to go? And you might not be 100%. You might not be like, oh, I'm gonna long 72. Oh, I'm gonna long 69. Oh, but you're ready to go. You're prepared. You've got levels to the downside, levels to the upside. You know what kind of edge you want. Is it structural? Is it open interest? Okay. What about for CME gap in a couple of hours, chat? You guys know what a bearish gap is. You guys know what a bullish gap is, right? You guys, is this your first ETH gap? If so, you might want to wait until regular trading hours. All right. What does it mean when you spend time in a gap? What does it mean when you build value in a gap? All right. You guys ready to go? Just the basics, you know? And we'll start with the basics. We'll start with how the gap reacts and we'll kind of go from there. But you guys excited? This could be a juicy, I mean, first off, everybody knows that even if I do get in, because I'm going to try to get into like a 500 Bitcoin long, like all the way from 72 to 69, you know, 74 to 69. You know, I don't really know exactly. That's why I want to see the data on the CME gap first. But I'm ready to do that thing. But you guys know that even if I get into a big ass long, right, that I'm also gonna be flippity floppity and going big short, right? You guys know that? How many of you guys have been rocking and rolling with me long enough to know that I'm gonna go big long down there, but I'm also gonna be big shorting. at like 95 or wherever the bearish retest is. You guys feel me? Yeah, so either way, man, I'm really, really excited. I can't wait. Ricky says your short is still up. Yep.
What did he say?
Yeah.
He just
You'll
told us
see
to be
it. I'll
prepared.
show it if it doesn't get closed before, but I want to get the desktop PC. I'll try to get the desktop PC up tomorrow night. Yeah. You ready, Ricky? But I'm going to try to big long, like whatever it is, like that's, whether it's 69.5, whether it's 72, whether it's 74, whether it's 76. You know, there is a nice little long, I think, to be had, at least like a $20,000 move. You know? Can you imagine if I have a 500 Bitcoin long and it goes $20,000? A good joy! And then can you imagine me shorting like 1,000 Bitcoin from like 92, 95 to like 50? Or what about that really, really nice long from 74 to 140? Woo! So, I mean, on like the higher time frame, I have like ideas and like the home run plays, you know? And then I'll have accounts that I'll have like medium time frame, bing bong ding dong, you know? And then we'll have like our day-to-day like bullish retests and bearish retests of settlements and value, previous day value and shit like that. So that's how I'm gonna try to traverse the year. Which one is more likely? Not enough data. Who the fuck knows, my guy? Brother, I don't even know what the CME gap is gonna be later today. What I'm trying to get you to understand is I have these higher time frame concepts. I have a higher time frame bull scenario and I have a higher time frame bear scenario. And I can already kind of start to formulate like levels where I'm looking at and how I want to keep some positions open, how long I want to keep it open, where my bigger time frame hedges would be. All right. And I always have higher time frame trades, and I have accounts that have home run and higher time frame trades. I have accounts that have medium time frame trades, and I have like day-to-day scalp accounts and trades, right? But the whole point is just kind of being prepared and thinking about it so you don't get got. You know, I've been waiting like there's a difference between somebody that was really, really bullish when ETH did this, okay? And they were bullish, really, really bullish here, okay? Versus me, where I wait for RTH, and the dip and tip at RTH is what makes me bullish. But I also know those lows are shitty, and it's in RTH, and so I know that it's gonna clean one more time. Okay, and that for me, that part isn't what made the price action before bullish. This is what made it bullish. But I also know that that's not that great. And so somebody that was bullish here versus me being bullish here, it's going to completely change how they want to play this. Somebody that was bullish here might not want to play the long here anymore, whereas I would. You know, and what you did 3 months ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 days ago is going to impact how you play this level. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's what I mean by I'm never going to be able to convince people's subconsciouses, you know? So the best that we can do, all of us, is to be prepared, not get got, and start figuring out how you would proceed. You feel me? There's no right or wrong. There's going to be people that try to long very, very aggressively and just get stopped out at break even every single time, or they're even willing to take tiny losses, small losses on a 76, 74, 72, and 69.5 long attempt. And they'll try it. You know, some people are going to try to combine all of those and just keep laddering in. Some people are only going to spot. You know, some people aren't going to long anything and they're just going to hold shorts, you know, and maybe the longs are more like hedge longs. So What does RTH mean? Regular trading hours. Yeah, but I just want you guys to be prepared, feel like you're prepared, and be able to enjoy the show this week, because it's gonna get nasty Bugatti, chat. All right, so I gotta get caffeinated. All right, should we go coffee? If so, hot, cold, what are we doing? Should I get cookies or donuts? Huh? Are you, like, what are we doing, chat? Talk to me. We don't even need, should we just go grab a Monster? Chat, how many, what's your caffeine of choice, chat? What's your choice of caffeine? Are you a tea guy? Okay. Are you a coffee guy? Are you a energy drink kind of guy? Okay. If you're an energy drink kind of guy, what kind of energy? What's your favorite energy drink? If you're a coffee guy, how do you take your coffee? Hot, cold, cream, no sugar, milk, non-dairy. You know I'm a big Monster fan, right, chat? So donuts and coffee, or should I just go grab a Monster? Chat, can I get a Monster in my hand, but not the drink? I already have a Monster in my hand right now, not the drink. Exclamation Monster in my hand. Monster in my hand, but not the drink? Kimba Gang! Yeah!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Hey!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Hey! Monster in my hand!
Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Detroit!
Monster in my hand, chart going
Turn it up!
Goddamn! Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand,
Yeah!
run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand.
Fibs on demand!
And if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Fib line touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Saddle loss, that's a quick deposit. Kimba gang up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slippage, should have been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not that drink. Chart going pop pink. Goddamn! Fibs hit golden pocket, now it's up pop pink. Oh, juicy. Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the ton. Chart do a flip, bag getting dumb. Proper R, that's how it's done. Let's go. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimba gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction.
I said, are you strong? They said, I'm strong if you strong. I said, we strong.
Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Let's get
Monster
it.
in my
Kimba
hand, but
is
not the
popping.
drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. Kimba gang. Yeah.
Sunday stream, let's get it. Sunday stream, let's get it. Sunday Lions, let's go. Yeah! Monster in my hand! Yeah! not the drink. Lions and charts, they go pink. How we doing, Lions? Hey, you know what it is. Hey, give it up for each other, chat. Sunday Lions, let's go. Inky Derain says, what would be bearish scenario? I don't know what time frame you're talking about, sir. Higher time frame? I just told you. And we've been talking about it for weeks. Do you remember when I said that if it goes to 72 or whatever, I'm actually gonna go mega long, but I'm gonna be really excited about doing a big short on the bearish retest, whether it's at 90 or at 95 or 100? Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Lines in the chart, they go pink.
Hey, yo, turn me up. Kimber gang. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Fib line touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Saddle loss, that's a quick deposit. Kimber gang up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slippage, should've been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not that drink. Chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Fibs hit golden pocket, now it's up pop pink. Oh, juicy. Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the tons. Chart do a flip bag, getting dumb. Proper RR, that's how it's done. Let's go. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimber gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction.
Who juicing? We juicing.
Kimber gang. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands.
Juicing.
Kimber gang.
Kimber gang, let's get it. Math is math. Math is math. Sunday, Lions, let's juice. Bugatti. What happening? How we doing, Lions? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's juice. Kachoya. How we doing, Lions? Happy Sunday! Any questions, chat? Who'd you shin? 2 minutes. 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions? You guys all right? Batus, Uguchi, Husty, Hey Blade. Juski says, do you think they will run 84s before RTH gap? Juski, so we're not in the business of trying to predict the future, okay? Do you know what would be a better question to ask? What are levels that could be lost, and what are the ways that they could, how could they be lost to indicate that the probability of going to 84 or 81 is higher or lower? Okay, so basically what you're asking, Juski, is what are the chances that the single print imbalance gets corrected before RTH gap? Now, do you know that in the past, that is when CME ETH will clean the single prints? Juicy. So basically, not only do you have a single print right there, you're going to have a CME gap. Yes? Now, if it starts to go and grab the single prints, is it better if you want the RTH gap lower? Do you want the single prints to get grabbed, all of them? Do you want the CME ETH gap to get completely filled? So those are the things that you want to be observant of, and based off of what it does, you adjust the probabilities of different outcomes accordingly. Okay? So I don't know if they're gonna grab the 84 single prints in the CME gap before RTH or not. But I know that as it goes to it, I know what it would indicate to me as bullish or bearishly reacting. Okay? So right now, I have no idea. And if anybody says that they do, I think they're full of shit. Okay? The best that I can do is we can wait and I'll be here and we'll see the CME gap together. And we'll see the first 30-minute candle reaction. And based off of that, I will be able to tell you the probabilities of what it should and what it shouldn't do. Okay? And if it does do it, then you need to be objective and say, well, not doing that was supposed to be bearish. And so since it did that, it is no longer bearish. And you got to be able to be objective and move with the data. Okay? Not try to be stubborn and say this is right, this is wrong, or we should be shorting or longing. No, you got to read the data correctly. No one is going to be able to predict if a bunch of dumbass bottom shorters come in, or if a bunch of dumbass top longers come in. Sounds good, Juicy? Do you anticipate 140K before or after 50K? Brother, I don't fucking know. If I knew the answer to that, I wouldn't be kicking it with you guys. I would be a billionaire on a beach predicting the future with all my money. Wait, what? So first things first, why don't we see CME, ETH, resumption, okay? Why don't we see if the 30-minute candle gives us bullish or bearish structural edge? Why don't we see if longs got squeezed out, shorts start to open, and then we'll give, like the higher probability play for at least until tomorrow morning RTH. Hey, what are we gonna get? Canned cookies and cream, cold brew, or the white monster? And I really want these donuts, chat. Hey, you guys fucking with the track though? Monster in my hand, not the drink. That's the new Monster commercial coming out, by the way. Let me just think about this for a second. What do I want to get, Chad? All right, you know what? I'm going to do this. Passion mango lemonade with lychee jelly. That sounds super bomb. Creme brulee, brown sugar, fresh milk with boba. Ube haze cream latte. Vishante says, what are your favorite types of donuts? I'm actually getting mochi donuts right now, but like if we're going with like classic, I love just like chocolate sprinkle, the maple bar, the cinnamon twisty things. But I also like, you know, like the new twist. I like the mochi donuts. I like the cronut, like the croissant donut. The cronut, you know what I mean? Damn, I don't know what to get. You guys ever Latuche up and then you spend like 30 minutes just fucking staring at the menu instead of hitting checkout? I gotta stop doing this, chat. I'm just staring at this bitch. And then, like, you ever feel like, well, I only want one fucking thing, but I'm not gonna pay $8 for a smoothie and then pay $8 for delivery, so I gotta justify it and get like 3 other things. Make your order $50 so that $8 delivery, you know, is justifiable. What about when you want one little thing from this place and then one little thing from this other place, so you end up with like a $150 order combined when you only just wanted like $20 worth of something from 2 different places? And then you got all this fucking food in your kitchen and you're like, fuck. And then baby girl comes home and she's like, what the fuck is all this? And you gotta be like, I got it for us. The math is the math, right? How you gonna spend $8 when the surcharge and the delivery and the tip is $12, right? Fuck. Okay, so this guy, we're gonna have to go ahead and do this. Okay, because I want coffee from this other place. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. The levels on the chart scope are pink. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Fibonacci golden pocket on demand. Yes, sir. All right, let's do coffee. Danny says, play it, please.
Kimber Gang. Hey, yo, turn me up.
Remix!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, chart gon' put pink.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the bands.
Cash.
Monster in my hand, fibs on demand.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands.
Catch your.
I don't need luck, I just need levels. Field line touch, and she's so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Saddle lost, that's a quick deposit. Kimber gang up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slippers, should've been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not that drink. Chart going for pink.
Goddamn.
Fibs hit, golden pocket, now it's for pink.
Who juicing?
Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the tons. Chart, do a flip, bag going dumb.
Goddamn.
Proper RR, that's how it's done.
Let's go.
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, chart gon' put paint.
Goddamn.
Interest clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimber gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction.
Who juicing? We juicing. Kimber gang.
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, chart gon' put paint.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the bands.
Cash.
Monster in my hand, fibs on demand.
Goddamn.
Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands.
Those are not my hands.
Not my hands! Ka-choy!
Who juicing? Kimber gang.
I'm just swinging my body from side to side. Let's go! Monster in my hand, let's go! Come on now! Sunday Lions, how we doing? Quit playing with me. Yeah, monster in my hand, a drink. All right. Is there a Starbucks right underneath me? Oh my God. Wait. See exactly where the fuck this is. Should I just walk to the Starbucks, guys? How we doing? Sowin Owo with 2 question marks. How can I help you, sir? Night Mammoth, you good? Bully 618, you good? Nick, you Gucci? Where Banana Zone? What?
Anything's possible. Anything's possible.
The Banana Zone is like that really prolific gay bar in Key West. Is that what you're talking about? Wrong stream, maybe? Stop Profito, what's going on? Grimes, what's going on? Mapetas, what's going on? Ali, you good? Flatter B, you good? Alexin says, what do the two gray lines represent? It represents an opportunity to rewind the stream. Yes, 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 yes. Do you know about my YouTube? Exclamation YouTube. Yup, so you can either type exclamation rewind to be able to rewind the stream, so you can see how to rewind the stream on a Twitch stream that's already live, or you can just go to the YouTube channel and you can rewind the simulcast over there. But if you show up late, it's always good to, you know, watch it from the very beginning, brother. Those are the sweep levels, though. Okie dokie. Dark Alien, what's going on, man? Let's go, Dark Alien. Thank you for the kind words. Have a great weekend. I'm just going to see the CME gap, and we'll go from there. I mean, if there is one. I want to see the CME resumption. Come on. 14 more minutes on the 30-minute candle close. Let's go! It's a kachaya!
You know, one thing my trainer, he told me, he said...
Grim says, we just made a shitty low here, right? Yeah. Have you ever heard the concept, CME usually likes to clean the weekend highs and the weekend lows? Yep. You were here earlier, right, Grim? Somebody asked a question about the 84 single prints, and it's also going to be the 84 CME ETH gap, right? So you already know that if it does start to go up, what would be bearish, right? What would be bullish? What would neutralize the bearish edge, etc., etc.? Yeah. So it's all like the kind of stuff that we already know, and we can put all that shit together, and we'll see it in the first 30-minute candle. CME ETH, if it's gonna at least be smaller time frame bullish or bearish going into RTH gap play. So I'm gonna go to bed pretty early today. Ismail says, hi Kimba, sometimes I have problems executing even though I've done my analysis and end up regretting that I haven't entered. Do you have any recommendation for this? What can I do? Easy. Smaller position. Ismail, so what's the normal position size you normally do? 10 Bitcoin? 20 Bitcoin? What's your normal position size? If there's a position that you're sitting right now thinking to yourself, fuck, I wish I was in this one, how big would that have been, Ismail? 5% of my account? So how big is that? So do 0.5% of your account. I bet you wouldn't pussyfoot. Pussyfooting is basically your subconscious saying, this is too much. I don't know. I'm not that confident. When you're juicing, you should always be like, fuck, I wish the position was bigger. When you're entering or when you get stopped out at a loss, you're thinking to yourself, thank God it's not anything that's too crazy. Ismail says, I think I've lost so much that I'm afraid of losing more. That could be it too, but then you're emotionally making decisions. And you can't do that either. You have to be non-emotional. Yep. And if you can't afford to lose it, then that's not really, that shouldn't be your trading capital. Your trading capital, you need to be okay with losing it all. Okay? No one should be going all in with their life savings. You know. So maybe make your trading account smaller. Yeah, but if you can't find the sort of right, you know how like Price tries to, like you've seen VWAP, right? You know what VWAP is, right, Ismail? Have you seen anchored VWAP be resistance and support? Now imagine if we could get an anchored VWAP on your emotions and your confidence. Okay? You need to find an even area where it's sustainable. Okay? If you're pussyfooting all the time because you're emotionally making decisions, you might think that you're doing the right thing because you're not losing that much money, but you're also like your time spent and the opportunities that you're not taking because you're emotionally making decisions could actually be making you a net losing trader. So the right thing is you need to have good risk management. You shouldn't be going all in. You shouldn't be doing some degenerate shit. I'm already assuming and giving everybody the benefit of the doubt that you're not doing some stupid degenerate shit. Like basic beginner mistakes. Like not using all of your life savings. You know, being responsible. You know, not relying on crypto trading for income. You're giving yourself the opportunity to learn and improve instead of needing to statistically be right X% of the time because you need to be a profitable, glorified gambler. My mochi donuts are on the way. So yeah, anyways, Ismail, do a much smaller position. Do something, and just to prove the point, like for the next 5 trades, you should do half of what you normally do, or a fifth of what you normally do. And I bet you probably don't care. You're probably tripping, like you wish it was bigger when it's juicing. And even if you're in the red, you can probably go to sleep. You can go to sleep because it's not that big of a deal if you get stopped out. So it's always like those emotional sort of contaminants that push you away from your emotional VWAP, from your confidence VWAP. You get really, 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 really confident. You get really, 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 like you completely feel like you don't know what the fuck you're doing. You have these swings. You got to stay like even. Okay. So try maybe smaller positions. I don't have all the answers. At the end of the day, that's why people that are self-aware and self-honest are really good traders, because they can pivot and evolve and adapt really, really quickly without needing like a third-party opinion. It's like the opposite of being stubborn, you know? You can be argumentative and you can be defensive and you can lie to other people, but if you're somebody that will never, never lie to yourself, oh man, like you're going to be an amazing trader because you can always, you're almost like a machine. You know what I mean? And that's basically what like machine learning and AI and algo trading is all anyways that you're competing against. So I'm still going to order coffee from this place, chat. Give me 1 second. Let me just finish this. Oh, I gotta get these, man. This place has Belgian frites. You know I gotta get fucking. Okay. All right, my mochi donuts will be here pretty soon. I got my coffee ordered. How you guys doing? Jesse Pink, Ismail, it's my pleasure, and I don't know if that's necessarily going to be the one that fixes it all, you know? But at the end of the day, like, you know yourself the best, so... Sounds good, Ismail. Latuche, motherfucker, the math is the math! Todot says, Kimba, if it breaks value area low after open, does that validate a full range value area high trade? Kind of looking of that. So Todots, just that, no. But hidden bull div, bottom shorts, those things would start to increase the probability. It's a little bit too early because we don't have CME open quite yet, Todots. But if you've been following me along all last week, all the week before, and even just if you were only there for like Friday and you read the Discord posts, you know that I want the local low to be set Monday or Tuesday going into Wednesday, right? Worst case scenario, like it does an initial move as a debate on Wednesday with CPI, and then we rock it, you know? But I'm going to be looking for bottom shorts. I've got the levels marked out. I know where the swing fails could potentially be at. Those are where the gray levels are, right? So the gray levels are the pixel perfect bottoms. We got fibs. We got extensions. And most importantly, I got to be looking at CME order flow on Monday morning. Yeah. But I'm going to be here early as fuck, brother. I'm going to kick it until baby girl gets home. So I probably have like at least another 2 hours. I want to see CME resumption. And then I'm going to go to bed pretty early, and I'll be here pre-market tomorrow. I'm going to be showing up pre-market Monday, pre-market Tuesday, and pre-market Wednesday for CPI. So really, really try hard mode, but it's really just going to be probably working within the confines and the nuances of the smaller time frame, you know. But I know what I want to do on the higher time frame, so I'm pretty excited, man. You Gucci Todots, happy Sunday, my guy. Kachoi Shibaya. Let me see if they, this place, they actually bring my shit all the way. So hold on 1 second. Let me see. Yeah. It's here. Let me take a bite. Yeah. Damn, these look delicious. Well, I'm gonna eat the one with the crispies. Oh my god, quit playing with me. How you doing? I can't stop eating. Latuche, motherfucker, the math is the math. Let's see where my coffee's at. All right. How we doing, Lions? Y'all Gucci Magucci up in this bitch? Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Exclamation giveaway, by the way. I cannot wait to get back on the desktop. How we doing? "25 minutes, okay. Hopefully I can get my coffee before. Let's see what these guys said. Lincoln says, I've got my car smashed today. That's a bummer. Actually, baby girl is getting a new car tomorrow. Human Hunk says, what is your secret? Truly, genuinely live every day like it's your last. Zoyo says Squid Games. Okay, okay. A says Monster in the Hand. Let's get it. I'm gonna steal your techniques for what? How to roll like the perfectly symmetrical blunt? I don't know. Because if you're talking about trading, dude, I do the most elementary, simple shit that most retail traders for evil. God damn, I think you're in the wrong stream, brother. Mario, man, just ask Nerd to just Nerd will unban you, Mario. So obvious. I think he's just trying to like call our bluff that we can't see IPs or something. What's going on, Marvel? How we doing? Jesse Papink. How we doing, Jesse Papink? Jesse Pinkman. Marvel says, how's everything? It's amazing, brother. I just recently moved. Again. So I actually, I mean, I have a love-hate relationship with moving. I've done it so many times. I'm kind of like a pro at it, pretty good. And every single time I move to a new place, it's like another opportunity for me to like do a brand new batcave. Yeah, so getting a bunch of like these non-OLED but super thin like 85-inch screens mounted on my wall here in the office And then I'm going dual 57-inch ultra wide as well. And so I'm going 85-inch, and then they're gonna be quadded up into like different overviews and charts, and then I'm gonna have two 57-inch ultra wides on top of each other, all wall mounted. And then after that, I'm getting my custom office desk put in here, and then I gotta do all the cable management. And that's just for the streaming and trading setup, you know. I gotta get the Pro XDRs mounted on the other side for my other work, and then I gotta get the gaming, you know, Call of Duty shit set up, gaming PC side set up. So still a lot of work to do. Math is the math. We've been waiting for the RTH CME gap for about 2 weeks now. So if you've been able to follow along on the YouTube highlights, the Discord posts, I think the timing is pretty damn good. Pixel perfect once again. And we'll see if we can, if there is a long, I mean, there might not be a long opportunity at 69 or 72 or 74 or 76. We're just going to play the data, you know. It's not going to make us scared or anything like that. You know, it's either going to look bullish or it's not. And if it does, then we're not afraid to take it. And it's the same shit every single time. So just, you know, crossing my fingers that the gods or fate or destiny blesses us with a chance for an opportunity, because we are prepared. So, schwiggity schwaggity.
You know, one thing my trainer,
Schwaggity 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 schwaggity. Whoa.
he just told us to be prepared.
You guys okay? What did you do with the old setup? Some of it I brought here, some of it I shipped it back to New York. Is that a vape? Yes. I'm Latucheing up like a motherfucker. Yeah, I still can't really let us up in here because I have like, you know, I still have like the people working on the closets coming tomorrow. I have people mounting shit tomorrow. I have my own, like the walk-in closet being made. So I can't really make it too stinky up in here yet. Moses, you good? How's the pup, man? Everything good with Moses? Vishante, let's go Vishante. Rafi, you guys have any questions? You guys okay? Omar says, I love you, brother. I love you too, Omar. Happy Sunday, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. 16 minutes on the hourly candle close. We're getting closer and closer. All right, I'm going to just continue to organize this place and get ready for the mounters. Powny911 says, should I close my short? Well, if you don't know what you're doing, I would always suggest closing any positions. All right, but are you juicing? Because every trade, every day, you have an opportunity to prove it to yourself that you know what you're doing, that you're getting better, and that you can actually be the trader you aspire to be. You want to be a good trader, right? You want to be a trader that makes money, right? And don't you want to genuinely feel like you can actually do that? Well, every day you have that chance. And so what I usually say, Pawnee, is one, you should have already had a TP1, TP2, TP3, and also a stop loss and profit. When people tell me their entries, it's really hard for me to tell if they know what they're doing or not. But if they tell me their stop loss, whether it's a stop loss for a small loss or a stop loss in profit, it usually tells me or gives me a good idea of how, if they know what they're doing or not. So the preparation and the planning is what's the most important. If you bought yourself or you were disciplined enough to wait, okay, for edge, you should be in green right now, which leads me to my second point. If you can't stick to your plans and the preparation that you gave yourself when you're in the green, when you're in profit, I don't know how you expect yourself to stick to your plan when you're a little bit in the red. And so, like, when you're in a trade and when you're green, it should be the easiest thing to stick to your plan and execute the way that you plan to. Sounds good? So you have such an opportunity, and that's the real juice, brother. You really think that this game is about the one trade that you're in right now? Or do you think it's about being able to put yourself in a net positive ROI situation over and over and over again and letting the probabilities play out, thus allowing you to be a net positive trader in the long run? And do you understand that, like, do you believe me when you say that if you don't know what you're doing, it's only a matter of time before you lose it all? Or do you think that there's a chance that you can squirm your way through and still be net positive, even though you don't know what you're doing? So these are all things that I think we all have to face at one point or another. Some people continue to lie to themselves. Some people accept that brutal fact. So, use this opportunity to execute, brother. That's how I would answer it. Now, I have my shorts, you know where my shorts are from, right? So I'm still waiting for lower, and I don't really make decisions before CME opens. So it's up to you. I don't know where your entry is. I don't know if you have a short from 84 or you have a short from 105 like me. Okie dokie. But regardless, brother, I'm rooting for you. I hope you juice the fuck up, and let's do the damn thing. All right? Can I get a cut, Joy? My entry is 86K. Okay, have you shaved it all? So let's start with things that are not debatable, right? So if it was going to be bearish, for example, Pawnee, you do not want to grab all of those single prints. So even the most bearish lion, I would assume that if it grabs all of those single prints, you're gonna start shaving behind those single prints. You don't want to be the dumbass that gets stopped out in the single print. That's what the book says, okay? Single prints do not guide you to get filled there. A lot of people will be like, oh, I was waiting for the single prints to get grabbed, it front ran it. Yeah, no shit. You know? What you want is, if you're bearish, you don't want all the single prints to get grabbed. If the single prints get grabbed, it doesn't mean that it's bullish. You've just lost a significant portion of your bearish edge. Okay? So, for example, you said your entry was 86. Did you know all the shit that I just said? Because I don't know what you don't know. But what I just said was all basic strategy. It's by the book. It's not some Kimba philosophy. It's by the book shit. It's probabilities. Okay? So, like, you can decide, brother. Maybe you're gonna close the whole thing right at 84.3. Maybe you start. You shave 30% here, you 30% here, and 30% here. Okay? I don't know if you've been losing a lot of money the past couple days, or if you're playing with huge, crazy profits, and you just don't want to get stopped out. And so you're okay to put your stop loss right below your entry, at 85,750, and it'll just be a complete round trip for you, but you just don't want to get stopped out. Sounds good? So there's all of those things that you should know which is just basic by the book strategy, and then go with that, brother. And it's all just probabilities, you know what I mean? I hope that helped, Powney. But you should have already hit some TPs, I would assume. And regardless of whatever you decide to do, you can't lose, right, brother? And you have put yourself in a situation where worst case scenario, you get broken off, break even. You know, you walk away with tiny profits instead of tremendous profits. And for that, you have already won the trade. Sounds good? You already did good. All right? So, and then it's just a matter of seeing these things play out hundreds and hundreds of times yourself. And you might say, dude, like I keep getting round tripped. I'm going to just start shaving up 50% behind the 382, you know? And you get better and better and better like that, brother. Pretty cool, right? Let's go, man. Sunday Lions, let's juice the fuck up, man. Any questions? Let's go, man. My pleasure, Powney. Booskry, thank you for the resub. Let's go. Hey, exclamation giveaway. I hope everybody is ready. Exclamation giveaway. A kachai. Schwiggity schwag. Not me, says Kimba, good evening. Do you always wait for reclaim before entering trade? No, you're misunderstanding me. I wait to enter a trade until I see data that I can rely on. The next piece of data that I can rely on just happens to be the CME Sunday resumption. Okay? Do you see a hidden bull div? Do you see shorts entering here? What about how many longs got stopped out? So you tell me how many edges exist right now that you know I rely on. You should be able to tell me. Okay? And out of all of those edges, whether it's the things that you see right now, structurally, open interest-wise, CVD-wise, whatever, or whether it's CME, what is the most strong or the most reliable? Isn't it CME? When does CME come back online, brother? So start with things that are just facts and data. No, not me. CME ETH opens up in 1 hour and 7 minutes. So we got ETH, electronic trading hours. Do you understand that S&P futures, NASDAQ futures, market futures in general, including Bitcoin CME, is going to come back online? It is ETH. Why do you think I'm here? Look at the title of the stream. Okay, why am I streaming right now? So make sure you get caught up from where, if you missed the beginning of the stream, okay? Kev Han says, hi Kimba, waiting for a RTH play? Motherfucker. Help me! You do realize that I've got a monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Hey, yo, turn it up.
Turn it up! Monster in my hand!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. God damn. Monster in luck, I just need levels. Fib line touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Settle loss, that's a quick deposit. Kimber gang up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slipping, should've been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not that drink. Chart going pop pink. Goddamn! Fibs hit golden pocket, now it's up pop pink. Oh, juicy. Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the ton. Chart do a flip, bag getting dumb. Proper R, that's how it's done. Let's go. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimber gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction.
Who juicing? We juicing.
Kimber gang! Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands.
Juicing.
Kimber gang, yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, the fries are here. Not the best. Oh my God. How we doing, chat? Happy Sunday. All right, there's your hourly candle close. My mouse at, man. Let me wash my hands real quick. Latuche, motherfucker, the math is the math. All right, I got my coffee as well. How are you doing, Lions? Oh, damn. I am satisfied. Man, I love living close to everything, man. Kachoi Shibaya. All right, we got about an hour left together. How we doing? Raphael says, since you are expecting CME and it will gap, not really expecting, but prepared is more the word. Do you think the best for market makers is to close this gap and then head down? I don't know. All I know is that if it closes the gap, it's not as bearish. Right? Have you been seeing how if it doesn't close it to the downside, it's like bullish? So, it's just being like committed to reading the data for what it is, I think, Raphael. But you have probably been here long enough to know that when RTH opens tomorrow morning, it likes to clean even the overnight ETH weekend high or low. So I think the best thing to do is to see if it even has a CME gap and how the first 30 minutes reacts to it. Yeah, I mean, if we're talking about smaller medium, I think it would be better to just continue to keep going and just continue to shit on longers. Says I close my short. If I want to re-enter, should I wait for a retest of 84 after a single point play? You should wait for data, in my opinion. And it also depends on how many times you've tried that before and it worked out. Don't tell me that's your first time ever trying that idea, right? How many times have you done it already? It depends if you're talking about before RTH or during international markets too, right? Ismail says, Kimba, a question in relation to EXO. Can the D-bars indicator be compared to open interest? Well, delta bars of what? If it's like the delta bar of open interest, yeah. All right, let's lock in 54 minutes. Wazo says, hey Kimba, can I ask why you would look for a mega short up at 95 if you are bullish? Will it be a hedge short? I mean, I'm going to just look at the data, Wazzle. Yeah, so it's more like I'm prepared to. Like I wouldn't shy away from. It's more like I think we're all at a point where we can clearly see if there is edge or data, right? And like we've even had questions about it earlier, but it's just a matter of do we execute, right? A lot of people can figure out and see open interest, divergences, S&P confluence, but it's just a matter of pussyfooting sometimes for certain people. For most people.
One thing my trainer, he told me. He said,
and so,
what did he say? He just told us
like
to be
once the
prepared.
TA and reading the data isn't the challenge is just being mentally and emotionally prepared. So when people are scared or extra bullish, we don't get got. You know, you should definitely watch the whole stream from the beginning of today. But I said that maybe we'd get that 72 long all the way to 130, right? So, like, if you did watch it, then why didn't you mention that part? And I guess the point that I want you to really understand, Wazzle, from all of that, and even this as an example, is your subconscious bias is going to pick and choose what it wants to hear, what it wants to remember. Okay? And I'll never be able to control that. But in that same sort of rant, Wazzle, we talked about a 70 long to 95 and then a 95 short to like 50. And we also said, imagine a 72 long all the way to 130. Right? And you didn't want to bring that part up. And that's okay, but I'm ready for whatever. It's me just, talking it out loud, and I'm not scared to short. Just like how if it goes to 69, I'm not afraid to long. Sounds good? Wazzle says you just didn't mention if you will close the long or again head short because I don't have data, Wazzle. I'm already going out and preparing the levels, right? So that's as far as I can go. But like, let's say for example, I'll give you an example, Wazzle. Let's say that we do go to 72 or 70 or whatever, right? And there's hundreds of millions of shorts trapped, or they enter there, and almost every single long that was open from like, let's say 50 or 52 gets stopped out. Okay? And we take the long, okay? And we get to say 90 and the shorts are still underwater. Then I'm probably not looking at it. You know what I mean? But let's say that the shorts do enter, okay? And they all get squeezed out at 100. Or there's a crazy hidden bear div showing up on the bearish retest. All right. I mean, I wouldn't even rule out some goofy shit like COVID-19 mutation, no vaccine, lockdown all over again, COVID-23. Round 2 of COVID in 2026. I don't know. What if we get no shorters at 70? What if we get 200 million, 300 million top longing at 95? All of those things would obviously change like my thesis or what I would do, right? So I'm never going to try to predict the future, and the decisions at the end of the day are all going to be data driven. So I don't want you to think like I'm committing to these ideas. If anything, Wazzle, the biggest juice that you can extract is, why did my mind go from point A all the way to point Z so quickly? Are there any biases that I can self-detect and be self-aware of based off of how I interpreted whatever he was saying? That's really the biggest juice right there, is being able to catch yourself and be like, oh shit, maybe I have a little bit of a strong bullish bias, or maybe I have a little bit of a strong bearish bias. And catching yourself and giving yourself the opportunity to make yourself, like, not make yourself get got. Yeah, but does that make sense, Walzo? I have no fucking clue, man. So, first things first, Walzo. As we go down into the RTH gaps and the CME gaps, right? I've got a couple things helping me. One is, I know on the higher time frame and even medium time frame what structural edge looks like. I know what open interest edge looks like. I know what a gap play that is supposed to be bullish looks like, and I know what one that kind of looks bearish is supposed to look like. You know what I mean? I know what it means to just spend a little bit of time and get the fuck out of an imbalance, whether it's a single print or a gap. And I know what it means to spend time and build value in an imbalance like a gap or single prints. And so I will just see what it tells me. You know, well, obviously, that being said, the number one confluence moving forward is going to be S&P confluence. So, whatever bias that we're going to have for Biddy, it's going to have to be confirmed with Boo Gammas tomorrow morning, right? So, yeah, man. Just remember where we left off ES too. Like, ES has its own fucked up lows. Okay? In the gap. It looks kind of like Biddy, does it not? Okay? So imagine if they both clean, like do some goofy shit like that. Make sense? Don't they look pretty damn fucking similar, chat? I don't know, man. Is it just me? We'll see. Anyways, again, Wazzle says, yep, too much tunnel vision on the long. Thanks for your opinion. My pleasure, my pleasure. Yeah, Wazzle, these are the levels that I'm interested in for CME, man. You guys, you know what it is. You got the Kachoi gap all the way down at 70, right? I like that 76. You've got naked, untapped point of controls and, single prints, and then you've got the RTH gap. I would assume all of you guys know what it means to spend time or build value in a gap, right? That wouldn't be great in a bullish scenario. You guys know what dip the tip is, right? You guys know what a swing fail is. You guys know what structural edge is. You guys know to be looking at open interest. So, yeah, man, let's have some fun. I don't need you guys to be the best. And and remember, chat, even if you're right, there's a chance that you could fuck up and lose money. I knew it was a long. Yeah, but your leverage was insane. So, start preparing, start planning. If you are looking for a long, how big are you going to go in? How many attempts are you going to go with? If it is too quick or if it front runs you, what's your threshold? How far are you going to allow yourself to chase it? How many of you guys have been here for 6, 7, 8, 9 months, maybe even 4 or 5. and you were prepared and you were prepared and you were prepared and you were ready to go, and that bitch came so quick you didn't even know what to do, and you missed it by a couple $100 or $500 or $600, $700, and you remember thinking to yourself, never again. Well, here we go. Market's about to give you a chance. How many of y'all have ever been in a situation where you were ready for a big ass long and then it came hella quick and you got left behind? Let's go. Every day, every trade is an opportunity to see and prove to yourself that you know what you're doing. You got to embrace it, Lions. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am. I said it last week. I said it 2 weeks ago. I said it on Friday. Hey, this week is going to be juice, no matter what. You guys excited? You guys ready to rest up tonight and bring the most clear-headed, emotionless, logical brain tomorrow morning bright and early with me, like 90 minutes before U.S. markets open, chat? And I'm like, nobody gives a shit if you're gonna hope that 69 or 70 doesn't hold, or maybe you're more bearish or more bullish than others. That's okay. No one really cares about that. The most important thing is, do you feel confident about being able to read the data correctly? And do you feel confident in your own preparation? So I'm excited for you guys. You know what? You know what I want everybody to be able to do is on Friday, at the end of the day, be able to look at yourself in the mirror and say, this was a really good week. And it shouldn't even, some of you guys will actually take time before you can actually feel this in your own heart, but it won't even matter if you made money or not. So you guys excited? Kachoya! Broman says, do you think watching the USDT is good? It depends on what you're trading. You don't really need to be looking at that, for example, to like anticipate price action on Biddy. But maybe if you need to start figuring out when you want to allocate, capital to altcoins, yeah. Salachi says this was a really good week, but very stressful. But that's good. I mean, you gotta love stress. Yeah, you gotta love chaos. That's what you get paid to navigate and play in, right? Chaos and stress. That's why most people can't handle it. I can't try it. Happy Sunday, Lions. We got 11 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, on the 30-minute candle close, but we're waiting for that CME. I will try to kick it for the first 30-minute CME candle close, and then I got to wrap it up. I got to go to the container store. If you know, you know. Can I get a kachoy or an exclamation prepared? Ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys, man. Any questions? You guys Gucci?
One thing my trainer, he told me, he said, what did he say? He just told us to be prepared.
Kachoy all day.
Latuche, motherfucker, the math is the math.
Kachoy is the way. Kachoy is the vibe. Kachoy. Sato long, that's kachoy. Sato short, that's kachoy. Depot to his back, kachoy. That's kachoy. That's kachoy.
Kachoya!
Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's kachoy.
I see you, man. Let us alpha. Let's go.
Kachoy.
Calling noob.
Sato,
Let's
that's
go.
kachoy.
Pony. Let's
Kachoy.
go.
Top long,
Broman.
kachoy.
Let's go.
Kachoy.
Saeed.
Kachoy.
Merduz.
Kachoy.
Webflix.
Kachoy on them
Kachoy.
hoes. Kachoy on the daily. I'm kachoy if you pay me. Kachoy if you hate me. Kachoy.
Mario, why you
Kachoy
hate
on the
me?
daily.
Kachoya.
I'm kachoy. Kachoy with me, baby. Kachoy. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Ikachoy on the daily. I'm kachoy. It's kachoy, baby. Kachoy. It's kachoy, baby. Kachoy. Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's kachoy. Kachoy.
Let's go!
Baby kachoy.
Kimba gang, let's go!
Kachoy. Bottom short. Kachoy.
Hey.
Top long. Kachoy.
Hey.
Kachoy.
Kachoy! Monster in
Kachoy on
my
the
hand!
hoes.
Kachoy!
All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. All we know is kachoy.
Kachoy!
All we know is kachoy. Kachoy. Market makers.
Kachoy!
Yo.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Math!
Kachoy on the
Lions!
hoes.
Are we mathing?
Kachoy long. Kachoy short.
Kachoy!
Market long.
Yeah!
Market short.
Juice!
Kachoy. Market maker. Market smash. That's kachoy. Kachoy. Baby kachoy.
Baby!
Sato, that's a kachoy.
Kachoy.
Bottom short. Kachoy.
Kachoy.
Top long. Kachoy.
Kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy. Kachoy.
Kachoy on them hoes.
Hey.
Kachoy on them hoes.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Kachoy all day, all night. I kachoy when
Ladies
I
and
walk,
gentlemen.
Kachoy when I talk, kachoy when I spend, kachoy when I win, kachoy at any
How many of y'all like to drink Monsters?
Kachoy when I hit,
Pause.
kachoy when I win.
I got a monster in my hand! I got a monster in my hand! But not the drink. I got a monster in my hand. Fibonacci levels go pink. I got a monster in my hand, but it's not the can. I got a monster in my hand. Fibonacci levels on demand.
I'm juicing.
I don't need claps. Can I get the finger snaps? Can I get a finger snap? Can I get finger snap? Hey, let's go! Kimba gang, let's get it! Yeah, yeah, yeah!
Kimba gang. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. God damn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. God damn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. God damn. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Fib line touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up investments. Saddle loss, that's a quick deposit. Kimba gang up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slippage, should've been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not the
I said, are you strong? They said, I'm strong if you strong. I said, we strong.
Pink hit, golden pocket, now it's up pop pink. Oh, juicy. Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the tons. Shark do a flip bag, getting dumb.
Let's go! Go! Go!
Done.
Go! We mathing! Let's go! Hey! Monster in my hand, but not the drink! Kachoya!
Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Hey! Hey!
Monster in my hand,
Hey!
going pop pink.
Pop pink!
Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimba gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction.
Who juicing? We juicing.
Kimba gang! Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. God damn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. God damn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. God damn. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands.
Juicing.
Kimba gang. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's get it! Let's get it! Juice! 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 Monster in my hand, but not the drink! Let's Kachoya! Hey, you guys fucking with that or what? 10 out of 10, right? Yeah, that's a banger for sure. No pun intended. Monster in my hand, but not a drink. Let's get Burner back. Keep a gang, let's go, Burner. Let's go. Keep a gang, let's go. Sunday stream, turn it up.
Money they come, money they go. Aye, but me I go chop, I know fi slow. No way. Wake up, check the charts, big up my bros. My G's, Kimba gang, we they shine, watch how we glow. We lit. No wahala, we they flex. We they flex. Trade my way to bigger checks. See my table, it be set. No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let you stack in, I'm on, no lie. Trade that, flip that,
Refu, big ball and 10 gifted. Let's go, Refu. He juicing. Refu juicing. Let's go. Kachoy.
More profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah. More profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang. Who stacking? Kimba gang. Who flexing? Kimba gang. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. We going up. More we they stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Ay, them say Kimba gang too fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island, sky high. No stress, we just get by. I dey cruise, no time for lose. No way. Life too short, make I choose. More profits, more moves, more juice. Kimba gang, we don't snooze. We up. Chance they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay. Nah. Who juice? Kimba gang. Who stacking? Kimba gang. Who flexing? Kimba gang. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. We going up.
Let's go, Lions! Sing it if you know it.
My baby wants a Bugatti. She been asking me for so long. Crypto wallet stacking while I'm grinding all night long. This 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I'm out here making plays. I can't worry about these charts. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round. We need
Let's go, Kimba gang, turn it up. Sunday Lions, let's go.
Good Lord, someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party in LaQuaine on Lick Street. Kimba gang at the bar getting tipsy. We do it, man. Kimba gang
Keep it gang, let's go! Liquidation, stand up! Juice! Math! Prepared! Let's go! Get hype! Yeah! Let the tray up, motherfuckers!
I've been grinding since the morning, ain't no switching for a check. Tell my mind I ain't forget, got the profits on deck. Woke up late, still lit at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again, tell your girl to bring a friend. See the market's moving slow, but we still in the race. Risk management tight, we playing safe. Cashing out like it's routine, stacking steady. Flipping profits, we running the city, getting ready. One, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history.
Juice.
There's a party in Liquidation on Lick Street.
Juice.
Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Go! Go! Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's get it! Let's juice chat! Let's juice chat! Prepare!
Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Let's go! Hey, Lions! Hey, we
Here
prepare!
comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4.
We
When it's
juice.
last call and they kick us out the door.
We
It's
mad.
getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more. Oh my.
We
good
ready.
Lord. Tell 'em drink, someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey.
Whiskey.
They know me and Jack Daniels got a history.
History.
There's a party in Liquidation on Lick Street. Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Math! Math! Let's go!
Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Hey, we juice! We juice!
Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Who's got it better than us, chat?
Kimber gang at the bar getting tipsy.
Hey, I want you guys to get hype, man.
Kimber gang at the bar.
Hey, lock in, 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 lock in. Lions. Lock the fuck in! Here we go!
Kimber gang,
Kimber gang!
Baseline hitting, shaking every bone.
Kimber gang!
Step, they can't compete. Nah. Who juicing? Kimber crew never.
Who juicing?
Nobody better than
We!
Nobody better than we.
Come on, man!
Nobody better
Who's
than
better than us, chat?
Nobody better than we. Kimber fam, watch how we slam. Pull
Let's
up
go.
in the session, we be locking every plan. Sato trying to trade, but he ripped again. Hold those profits squeezed, tell a friend. Test net boys chat, but they ain't
gotta be
no friends.
test net.
Zap took a shot and he living with regret.
Let's go.
PSG snipers, no time
Math
to
is the
relax.
math.
Let us know we got each
26 minutes. Let's go get hype! Hype the fuck up!
We live in the dream. Who's got juice? We live in the dream. PSG creeping, making moves unseen. PSG creeping, making moves unseen.
PSG, stand the fuck up!
Let the baseline scream.
Let's go! Come on now! CME! Let's go! Good choice! Goddamn, I almost dropped my headset! Fuck!
Baseline scream.
Bugatti.
Market shift, but we stay with the plan. All the books shaking, see the crowd scatter.
Let's go!
Who juicing? Kimber gang of Pat.
Let's go! Bugatti!
Bad from the start. We lead the game. Kimber gang global, everybody know the name.
I give again!
Lost tight, TP hitting insane. Sniper precision, every trade is flame.
Let's go!
Nobody better than
We!
Nobody better than
We! Kimber gang, let's go!
Nobody better than we. Squad. Nobody better than we. Yo, step with the Bugatti drip. From Lithuania, private island trip.
Liquidation!
Well vibes, PSG rolling deep. Session to session, markets never
Let's
sleep.
go.
Pull pin, let the profits explode.
Hero.
Kimber gang worldwide, let the anthem load.
Hero Chinese delivery, Hero!
Kimber gang forever, let the baseline bang.
Let's go!
Nobody better than we.
We!
Nobody better than
I'm
we.
talking about us, Lions!
Nobody better than we.
Come on!
Nobody better than we.
Nobody's better, chat! Now I want to slow it down just a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. I want to slow it down just a little bit. Slow it down just a little bit. All right. We can't get too carried away, chat. can't get too carried away. You know, if you get like too carried away, like people that are like werewolves or like lichens or whatever, like they transform. We got to stay in our human form, chat. We can't break into our white lion form quite yet. Got to wait at least until RTH gap play tomorrow, right? Let's slow it down. Can we get Houston up on stage real quick? Have him bust out his piano skills. Can you guys give a warm Liquania welcome to Houston up on stage here? Have him break it down on the piano for us, chat. Just slow it down a little bit. Everybody, take a deep breath. You know, whether you want to spark up a little organic material and light it up on the Latuche is up to you. All right, but everybody take a deep breath. Exhale. Happy Sunday, chat. Hey, let's get Houston up here. Can we get Houston up here? Is he up here? Let's go. Kimba Gang, let's go. Happy Sunday, y'all. CME, 23 minutes. Let's go. Ka-choy!
The way I climb, risk to reward, man, I'm taking my time. Market moves, I'm prepared for the ride. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Lost a milli, but I'm back with a plan. In the dark, but I'm shining, I'm the man. Market's wild, got a ride to get thrown. In the game, taking risks on my own. I see the charts red flashing like a warning. 850K gone, but I'm not worried. Pressure on my wrist, chasing wins in a hurry. Pressure's high, but I ain't even break a sweat. Leverage high, my stop loss ain't even set. Pressure's high, but I ain't even break a sweat. Leverage high, my stop loss ain't even set. Juice in the math, that's the way I climb. Risk to reward, man, I'm taking my time. Market moves, I'm prepared for the ride. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Keep it gang, keep it calm, keep it clean. Patience pays, I'm the king, it's in my jeans. White lion on my chest, math in my mind. Fibonacci speaks, I follow the line. Calculations tight, no room for a slip. Steady hands, I ain't taking no trip. Baby girl by my side, coffee in my cup. I play it slow, that's how I level up. Juice in the math, that's the way I climb. Risk to reward, man, I'm taking my time. Market moves, I'm prepared for the ride. Win or lose, got my gang on my side.
Let's go, Kimba Gang, let's go!
Win or lose, got my gang on my side. I'm the fire, I burn bright. Even when I fall, I get up, fight the fight. King resist power, I bide my time. When the moment's right, I'll rise and shine. In the heat, I'm the fire, I burn bright. Even when I fall, I get up.
Exclamation giveaway! Are you guys ready for some big ass giveaways?
Two paths, one goal, we both chase the goal. In the game of life, gotta stay bold. Win or lose is the journey we take. Long or short, it's the moves we make.
Come on!
Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Fibonacci speaks, I follow the line. Win or lose, got my gang on my side. Side.
Kachoya! How we doing, Lions? Let's go!
Yeah.
It's mathematics!
We die by the fifth. The heart of a lion, kill a gang. Juice and juice drip deadly. Rockets never stop, the crypto flowing heavy. We rise to the top, never try to. It's
Sato!
What the deal? It's still me, yo. Beats by PSG, bro. For all the people, Kimba Gang, let's go. Let's get it. Yo, check it. 1 for the Bugamas, 2 for Fibonacci, ho. 3 for the grind. Session stacking money flow. 4 corners of the world where the trades hit the streets. New York to London, Asia, we bring the heat.
5-figure flips, I'm taking 33% TPs. Stop loss and profit, that's how the winners be. In 6 dimensions, risk free, no slip. On the right harmonics, I do the Fibonacci dip. Juice dripping daily, heart of a lion. Passion stay burning, Kimber gang stay climbing. 8 billion moves, but we pitch so perfect. Watch the waters fill, emotions never nervous. 9 markets shuffling, Wall Street ain't a challenge. Pull up in the Bugatti, juice steady balance. Fed pulling strings, Chain Powell playing games, but we ahead of the curve, can't trap the Kimber gang. Crypto on the rise, S&P rise the wave. Janet talking rates, but we ain't gonna cave. Flip dollars to USDT and BTC, we stash back the fiat clean.
20 minutes, let's go!
The simple mathematics, check the risk. Pixel perfect Kimber box, no miss. It's all harmonics when the market moves slick. Do your math, check your grind, flip it quick. It's mathematics, minds keep the zone. Risk under control, trades locked in stone. PSG, we nerd out, mindsets grown. We in the grind, Fibonacci keeps us in the zone. Yo, one law hustle, but 2 paths to grind. Either you stay broke or you rise and shine. 3 trades deep, Bitcoin on the chart. S&P running close, but crypto's the heart. It's 4 a.m., sessions pumping in the night. Juice dripping passion, taking profits in sight. 5% risk, that's all I take. Turning Bugalas to gold, no room for mistakes. 6 million stacks, flipping 7 different zones. All these Wall Street cats better leave us alone. 8-year-olds dreaming of flexing in Bugattis, but it's Fibonacci life that keeps the grind steady. 9 to 5 now, we live 24/7. Market makers try, but we taking it to heaven. 10 p.m. and the mod's still active. Keeping every trader sharp, making sure we max it. Janet got the tax man lurking, but I'm slick. Rolex, Fendi, Gucci, profits moving quick. Turn fiat to Bitcoin, flip it back with ease. PSG and Kimber gang dripping with the keys.
Let's go! Mathematics! Mathematics!
CP hitting the zone. Crypto moves slick, harmonics in the vibe. Fibonacci lines aligning, we alive. It's mathematics.
Mathematics, chat!
Kimber gang, you flexing, dripping dollars we spit. Juice dripping hard, passion flowing through us again. We got our sessions locked in, profits we always win.
Mathematics, chat! Mathematics, chat! Let's go! I'm trying to think, should we go like epic orchestral music, you guys? No? Kimber gang! 15 minutes, let's go, lock in, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you prepared? Exclamation YouTube. Let's do it.
The smoke still lingers, the walls torn down, ashes drift where kings once crowned. We build again, we stand as one. The fight ain't over, it's just begun. Take me back to where we stand, side by side with blood on our hands. Through the storm, to the fight, we will rise, we own the night. From the hills they're running fast, the pride is here, we'll make this last. Kimber gang, we won't back down, this is our home, we hold our ground. But we ain't blind, we see the game, they want the throne, but no
gang.
Through the smoke, through the storm, we ain't alone. Brothers, sisters, hear the call. Take me back when we stand tall. Through the rise and through the fall. In the gang we rise again. Through the war until the end. We are the pride. We can't be tamed. No one forgets. We own this name.
Yeah! Let's go, Lions! Good joy! Hey, let's vibe out. Bugatti dreams! Bugatti dreams! Gotta elevate! Let's go, come on!
Juice and vibes with the elevate.
Are you ready, chat? Are you ready,
Smoking
chat?
like this, money know the weight.
Who's smoking that Letuche?
Bugatti dreams we accelerate.
Exclamation giveaway!
Juice and crew we dominate. From the hustle to the top we rise. Counting blessings, see it in our eyes. Letters burning stress we minimize.
Come on, come on, come on!
Stacking paper reaching for the skies.
Letuche, bitch!
Let the beat breathe.
Let it breathe! You gotta let it breathe!
Juice and vibes with the elevate.
Man, lettuce!
Smoking lettuce,
Man,
money know the
lettuce!
weight. Bugatti dreams we accelerate. With juice and crew we dominate.
Hey, we dominate!
Grinding hard, no time to rest.
Let's go, come on, let's go!
Wrist on ice, gold chains on chest.
Hey, who juicing, bitch?
Plotting moves like a chess contest.
I got joy, yeah!
Juicing crew always blessed.
Let's go, come on!
Celebrate the wins, toast to life.
Gotta celebrate! Let's go, turn it up!
Smoking letters cutting through the strife.
12 minutes! 12 minutes is a lifetime in
success is
crypto! Are you prepared, Lions? Let's go!
Juicing gang, we living nice.
Millies on millies!
Juice and vibes with the elevate.
Come on! Quit playing with me!
Smoking letters, money know the weight.
Come on, come on, come on!
Bugatti dreams we accelerate.
Here we go, here we go!
We dominate.
Is you stupid? Who juicing forever? Chat, I just have one question. Who juicing forever?
We juicing forever.
Let's go, come on.
Juice and vibes we elevate. Smoking letters we create.
Come on, come on, come on.
Bugatti dreams no more wait.
Juice, juice, juice.
With juice and crew we dominate.
Math, math, math. A good joy. Hey, how many of y'all have market smashed along, and as soon as you went long, Bitcoin dipped? How about people that as soon as you shorted, Bitcoin ripped? And you were just sitting there thinking to yourself, motherfucking Kachoi Shiba, yeah! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
I'm chasing quick flips. I'm taking wild risks. Market short. Took a long, then it dipped. Took a short, then it ripped. Market long, market short. Market long, market short. Hit the top, then hit the floor. Market long, market short. Leverage how we don't stay broke. Market long, market short. Yeah, I see that candle low, it's looking bright. Gone along the top, baby, feeling out of sight. Leverage 50x, I'm all in for the fight. No stop loss, no plan, let's see how it bites. Time's flashing and they telling me to chill, but I'm seeing dollar signs, I'm hungry for a meal. By the top, short the bottom, that's my kind of skill. Got no time for math, yeah, I'm here for the thrill. taking wild risks. Like a ball, market shoot. Took a long, then it dipped. Took a short, then it ripped. Shiba, man, this market while it's moving kinda quick. Shiba, smash that button hard, I ain't gon' wait to pick. Liquidation whispering, but I don't hear it tick. I'ma ride this wave until I'm rich. Nah, man, I don't need the math. I'ma throw it all in and let the market do me back.
Yeah, man, in the man and the juice in the juice. Let's get the kimchi. Shiba. Let's go. Let's go. We mathing. We mathing. Too easy. Too easy. Exclamation prepared, ho. Prepared, ho. Prepared, ho. Can I get a prepared, ho? Let's go.
Smash the buy, smash the sell. Who cares where it goes?
Juice.
Risk it all, double down, that's how it flows.
Shiba.
I said, are you strong? They said, I'm strong if you strong. I said, we strong then.
Or I can't sleep. Yo, I'm chasing that green, no patience for red. Gonna trade it all night till my balance is dead.
Shiba. Kimchi. 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 Let's go.
I'm chasing quick flips, I'm taking wild risks. Took a long, then it dipped. Took a short, then it ripped.
Sato. A Shiba. A Sato. A Shiba. A Sato. Let's go, chat. How we doing? Who'd you shin? Who'd you shin? Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, Kimber gang, we juicing up. What?
6 minutes.
Hey, ain't no sleep, we count bucks.
Get your
Green, run it all about the Nero, yeah, we stack it to the ceiling. Smoking on that lettuce got me higher than the
Lettuce.
building. 100 rounds loaded, I ain't worried about no feelings. OG in my blunt, all these ops gon' catch
Exclamation
spirits.
YouTube,
Pull up in the
exclamation
drop top,
Discord.
sipping on some dirty
Let's go.
juice.
Let's go.
Just hit my
Let's
line,
go.
said he
Let's
got
go.
another
Let's
move.
get it.
Trap still booming, we ain't never hit the snooze. Peso after peso, got my pockets looking huge. Juicing up,
Juice.
juicing up.
Juice.
We don't give a fuck. Stack that green, like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up, juicing up.
Get 'em.
Run that money up.
Get 'em.
Deep, we in the cut. Kimber gang, we run it. Lettuce in my lungs. Yeah,
Lettuce.
this pressure hit like Mayweather. Bitches love the gang, cause we ballin' like it's market makers. City on my back, got these streets in a chokehold. Ice up on my wrist, got me feeling like a snow globe. Ain't no capping, this ain't fiction, boy, this real life. Started from the trenches, now my pockets looking real
Put
nice.
big his ass
Pull
out.
up with the gang, tinted windows, you can't see us. 100 for the fit, dripping sauce like it's Aquafina. Juicing up, juicing up. We don't give a fuck. Stack that green, like that green. Bitch, we turning up, juicing up, juicing up. Run that money up. 100 deep, we in the cut. Kimber gang, we run it up. Hey, Kimber gang, we juicing up. Roll it up, pat it up. Yeah, ain't no sleep, we count bucks. Stack that green, run it up.
Kachoya.
Kimber gang, we juicing up. Roll it up, light it up. Yeah, stack that green, run it up. Ain't no sleep, we counting bucks. Kimber gang, we juicing up. Roll it up,
Man is man. Oh.
yeah.
Hey, what do you guys think about all this math, chat? Let's get Burner in the building.
Money they come, money they go. Aye. But me, I go chop, I know fi slow. No way.
Let's go.
Wake up, check the charts, big up my bros. My G's, Kimber gang, we they shine, watch how we glow. We lit. No wahala, we dey flex.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Treat my
3
way to
minutes,
bigger
30
checks, bigger
seconds.
checks.
I'll
See
try
my
to
table,
kick
it
it
be
for
set,
like
it be
another
set.
30 minutes, but then
No more stress,
we'll
just
be
manifest.
wrapping it up pretty soon.
See
What a
we juicing
day,
from the
chat.
left to the right.
How we
Right. See my charts,
doing?
they be looking too nice.
Juice.
Let's stack and I'm on, no lie, no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Aye. Who juice?
I enjoyed hanging out with you guys today, ladies and gentlemen.
Gang move, no stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Who
I love you
juicing?
guys,
King by gang
Lions.
moving.
Everybody
Gang
good to
move, no
go.
stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing.
I'm excited, man.
Who juicing? Kimba gang.
Who juicing?
Stacking,
Who
Kimba gang.
juicing?
Kimba gang.
Let's go, come on.
Flexing, Kimba gang. Kimba gang. We no stressing now. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up. On more we done stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we
Roth,
don't do
what's going
no
on?
fees.
Lenny, let me
That's
juice.
the vibe, we
Latiz, do
it
you,
with
boo-boo.
ease.
Chef
Ay,
Wonderful.
them say Kimba gang to fly.
Pally,
Money
not Snoop.
multiply,
What a
no
day.
lie,
Crispy
lie.
X
Chillin' on
Moses,
an island, sky
Chabby
high,
Nerd.
sky. No stress, we
Mad
just
Lettuce,
get
I
by.
see you, man.
I did cruise,
Casper.
no time for lose. No way. Life too short, make I choose. More profits, more moves, more juice. Kimba gang,
Brixie,
we don't
Amanello.
snooze. Charles they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love.
Shout outs
only
to everybody
real
that
ones
was
stay.
here all
Making
day
money
today
in
with
a
me.
1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay.
Love you guys, chat. Lee Kwok, Pedro P. Voodoo, Kev Hand.
Who juice? Kimba gang. Who stacking? Kimba gang.
Rizwan says,
Kimba
"God
gang.
blessed with a
Who
Sunday
flexing?
stream."
Kimba gang.
Hey.
Kimba gang. We
You
no
guys
stressing
blessed
now.
me.
We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts.
Lettuce.
No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up.
Let's get it. All right, let me just take a look at everything before we start to wrap it up. That looks good. That looks good. Jupiter says, for me today is a lesson day. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Pumper Dave says, dip the tip. Hey. Hey. Dave, how you doing, man? Happy Sunday. I'll try to kick it for the whole 30-minute candle after open, but can't guarantee anything. But I'll be here as early as I can tomorrow. I'm going to literally roll out of bed, have the coffee machine automatically brewing. I'll bring my cup of coffee and a Monster, and we'll get the show started right away tomorrow. So, but, you know, obviously how CME opens and how it reacts at the gap will give us a little bit of anticipatory edge. So let's get it. Let's get it. 20 seconds. Chabby, you good? Mad Lettuce, you good? Berbeezy, you good? Carrots, you good? Hydra, you good? Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kachoy. S&P future. Oh, let's go. A kachoya. Hey, that's a kachoya. Chat, that's a kachoya. China number 1. Hey, but tomorrow though, hey, you know I'm gonna start the morning off with a Monster in my hand, chat. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, charts go pink. Monster in my hand, not the can.
Shout out Kimba. Let's get it, Kimba.
Monster in my hand, Fibonacci on demand. Kimba Gang, let's go. Are you ready, chat? Are you ready, chat?
Kimba gang. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Monster in my hand, but not the
Goddamn!
drink.
Goddamn! 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 Go! Gotcha! 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 Gap test! Gap test! Gab this! Gab this! Man!
I don't need luck, I just need levels.
Juice.
Flip line touch entry so special.
Oh.
Turn green, stack it like Tetris.
Man.
Pip, run up investments.
Let's
Settle
go.
loss, that's a quick deposit.
Cut
Keep it
joint.
gang up, no need to gossip. Play
Bugatti.
so green, you thought I was a roster. He
Hey.
can't slip it, should've
Hey.
been cautious. Monster in my hand, but not that drink. Chart going pop pink.
Pop pink!
Fibs hit golden pocket, now it's up pop pink.
Pop pink!
Lettuce on lettuce, we got it by the tons.
Hey! Hey! Grab your monster! Grab your monster! Grab your monster!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink.
Hey!
Damn.
Hey!
Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink.
Let's get it!
Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on tight, no extra fees. Profits hit, now we overseas.
Man,
Eat high
man,
get wrecked.
man,
Red, I'm still
man.
collecting.
Let's go,
Gang, check
let's
the
go.
projection.
Let's juice,
Squad up,
let's
proper
go.
direction.
Who juicing?
Hey, shout outs to everybody that's been here the whole stream! Let's go!
In my hand, but not
Monster!
the drink.
Monster! Monster!
Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Damn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Damn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band.
Let's get it!
Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping,
God damn. Math is math, ho! Cut joya! Bitch! Cut joy! Shiba! Cut joy! Shiba! Let's get it! Bugama! Bugama! Math is math, chat! Math is math, chat! Quit playing with me! It's too easy! Hey, swoop 23 carrots! All right, I'm gonna kick it for about 25 more minutes, but you guys good? Ready to go? Shout outs to everybody that was here the whole time with me. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So we ready, man. Yeah, this is gonna be exciting, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, especially with RTH CME gap looking almost identical to biddies, huh? Yeah, so here's your CME ETH, but we already knew this was coming because you could tell it was even Pixel fucking a bearish retest on Friday, if you guys remember. Yeah. But yeah, everything looking Gucci, Lions. Everything looking Gucci. Make sure you're up to date on the Discord post. Talked about it all. Carrots, you good? Roth, Afnegunka J-Bucks. Hey, gap fill but not mine. Record of the year at the LGBTQ Awards. Gap fill but not mine, shall we?
Gap fill, but not mine. Gap fill, but not mine. Traders, it's time to shine. When the market dips, don't waste a trick. We riding that RTH quick. Dip, the tip. Let's go. Dip, the tip. Hey, hey, hey. Gap fill, but not mine. Gap fill, but not mine. The price drops low, into the zone. RTH gap, yeah, we in the zone. Touch that level, you know it's lit. Liquidity grab, then it's time to flip.
Let's
Bounce to
juice!
the top.
Let's go, come on,
Wick.
man.
Loan that poppin', we moving quick. The market's hot, it's a fast-paced race. Dipping in the gap, now set the pace. Slide, slide, slide to the left. Dip the tip and take a breath.
Hutchinson!
Bounce, bounce to the right.
Watch the art gap ignite.
Dip the tip!
Let it flip. Yeah, then watch it slip. Dip the tip. Hey, don't let it slip. Bounce out fast now, make it rip. Dip the tip.
Hey,
Just like that. Take a sip. Profits, that's a fact.
let's get it!
Yeah, we in the zone. Price on fire now, let it whip. Now the session's hot, ETH is done. The RTH bell, that's where we run. The price comes close, we're watching tight. Gap fills fast, better play it right. Don't get caught when the wick runs deep. Dipping fast, better stay on your feet. The market's wild, but we in control. Dip your toes, then let it roll. That's
the play every single time. Next time it dips, you know the way. Dip the tip, then right away. Let it whip, let it flip. Oh, we don't slip. Got feel, but not mine. Feel, but not mine.
Juice.
Lions! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's finish it up with a little Kachoy. And then we'll start the outro songs. You good, Pumper Dave? Chef, you good? Indo Lion, Chalub, you good? Night Mammoth, Moses, let's go, Lions. Weeks and months of preparation is going to probably come down to 30, 45 minutes of volatility, all right? So, Ricky says CME opened. Yes. Anytime that you miss bits and pieces, make sure you get caught up, okay? Yep. Ricky, do you know what it means to spend time in the gap? Do you know what dip the tip means? Okay. Do you know why I'm waiting for the first 30-minute candle to see if this fucker closes inside or above? Because it's dip the tip, right? Do you know what that is? Okay. Do you know what a swing fail is? So whether it's a long or a short, you know, all you need to do is just be ready for that data, brother. Okay? And then this is ESRTH, right? This is Bitcoin RTH, right? All right? These are the Boogammas. All right, brother? Yeah, so I'm going to see the 30-minute candle close here, and then I'm outro. So, yeah, I'm really, really excited. I will be here as early as I can. So maybe like 6 o'clock my time, 5:30 my time, and we'll get right after it. And I'll be showing up every day pretty early because Wednesday is CPI. So Raphael says, what's so important about that 30-minute candle? It's structure. So that just tells me that you're not taking notes on RTH and ETH. All right. So the first 30-minute candle close could be the start of dip the tip and go. Okay. But remind me to go over that maybe like Wednesday or Thursday when my desktop PC is back. And I can go over that in detail for you, but we do this all the time. All right. So just to, you know, there's obviously different ways to do it, but in simple terms, it's here. Like if you had opened, dipped the tip, and then climbed back up and you closed above the gap, then you have a very high chance of closing this. And that's what we need to be aware of for RTH, okay? But if you're bearish, you technically don't want to close the whole thing. So that might be the sort of RTH weekend sweep play that like everybody needs to be aware of, which is that single print grab. Clean all of this, right? Clean all that from the weekend before we go. So just always being aware of the bing bong ding dong, brother. Make sense? And we went over a lot of this in the stream already. So try to get caught up on the rewind the stream later if you can rewatch. Okay. Yeah, I'm a big level to level guy, so we got rejected from there on S&P before, so like 5705 confluence, it's obviously Fibonacci. Okay, so if you're not thinking about a potential dink, dink, you know, dink, dink. That was looking like a big booty Star Wars droid or something, right, chat? All right, Berbizi, you good? Rafa, you good? Raphael, you good? Riki, Stiga, Carrots. Whatever happens this week is going to be a direct culmination of your preparation the last 2 weeks. It's not going to be about what you're doing the last 2 days, what you've been doing the last 3 days. It's going to be what you've been thinking about the last couple weeks and months. So don't get got. All right, stay off of high leverage. And do your best and enjoy the show, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see if we can get a live papink, you guys. Y'all ready? Math is the math and the juice is the juice, chat. Do you believe in the math? It's too easy, chat. Let's go! When I juice, your juice, let's get it! Mario!
No matter how hard we try, the charts keep breaking high. Is it all for real, or just the way we feel? It's a gamble, we're trading, the trend lines keep inflating. But after all is bought and sold, are we the ones who'll strike gold? Do you believe in longs after market open? I believe if you believe, so you must believe. Do you believe in shorts when the bears are woken? I believe if you believe, so you must believe.
Do you believe?
Do you believe? Do you believe?
Let's go, come on!
You believe?
It's too easy, chat!
I believe.
Get that
Who's
kimchi!
choosing?
Get that kimchi!
Who's losing? Oh no. Who's playing with those games? News drops and we all dive in. FOMO hits like a whirlwind spin. Charts move fast, no time to stay. Are we just pawns in a bull-bear game? It's a race. Who's leading? The candles keep us believing. But when the market makes its turn, will we profit or crash and burn? Do you believe in longs after market open? I believe if you believe, so you must believe.
Do you believe, bitch?
Do you believe in shorts when the bears are woken? I believe if you believe, so you must believe. Do you believe? Do you believe? If you believe, then I believe. Oh, who's juicing the trade? Is it all just a charade? Will we ride the highs or fade? Do you believe in lane stars after market open? Do you believe in shorts when the charts are broken? Oh, oh.
Lions, I had an amazing
Believe, so you must believe.
Sunday stream, you guys. Who juicing? I love you guys, Lions. Got about 10 minutes left. Time for some outro songs, chat. If you're not burping, you're not juicing. All right, let's see. Half Yi says tomorrow's gonna be beautiful. The whole week, man. I mean, if you're excited for tomorrow, it's because you're excited for CPI, though, right? Because I would assume, even if you were bearish, like you're trying to, it's gonna be really nice to be able to set a week high or a week low tomorrow, right? Where are the outro songs? Oh, I can't forget about the Skeller. Come on, 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 come on. 13 minutes, let's go! How we doing, chat? Who choosing, chat? Keep a gang, let's go, come on! Who choosing? Math is math! Level to level, chat! Let's go! Keep a gang, let's go, come on! Happy Sunday, Lions! I had a blast!
Profits.
Love you guys, Lions! I'll be here bright and early tomorrow. Hands up if you're gonna be here early as fuck with me. Who'd you send? Sunday stream, what a blast!
I've been waiting.
Hey, laptop stream again tomorrow.
Every station, drew the lines and trace the faces. Now it's time to take the stage and I fought for the levels, I mapped out the highs. Through all of the losses, I sharpened my mind.
Let's go!
Now I see it so clearly, the moment is right. It's time to say goodbye. I'm running through the charts with no fear now.
Cheers!
Every move I make is so clear now.
Kachoya!
Build my edge, now I see how.
Let's go, Lions!
Was lost, but I'm here now.
I'm proud of us!
I'm flying, flying, no doubt.
Let's go!
Fire never burned out.
Math is math!
Every trade, every breakdown. Let me right to this play now.
Everybody ready to go? Exclamation prepared!
No fear now.
Let's do it!
So clear now. All the late nights, all the heartache, every risk I
You know,
had to
one thing my trainer, he told me,
through the
he said,
drawdowns,
what did he
through the
say?
mistakes.
He just told us to be
Still I
prepared.
found a way to break through. I fought for the levels, I mapped out the heights. Through all of the losses, I sharpened my mind. Now I see it so clearly, the moment is right. It's time to say goodbye. I'm running through the charts.
Let's go, shape motherfucker, the man! Let's go!
Every move I make is so clear now. Build my edge, now I see how.
Kimba Gang!
Lost, but I'm here now.
Let's go, let's choose those man!
I'm flying, flying, no doubt.
Let's go!
Through the fire, never burned out. Every trade, every breakdown. Let me right to this play now. No fear now. So clear now. Now I'm gone, but the game stays. fear now.
Juice!
Every move I make is so clear now. Built my edge, now I see how. I was lost, but I'm here now.
Amanello, not me, calling noob. My name is We Fancy, Quicks, Night Mammoth, Danny, Nate, Cowboy Crypto, Ricky, Apnet, Gook, Husty, Dennis, Nate, let's go. Glitch, Chris, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, chat. Let's get that but big, chat. Let's go. I love you guys, man.
But I'm here now.
Exclamation prepared.
You know, one thing my trainer, he told me, he said, what did he say? He just told us to be prepared.
Okay. Is there another?
You just said. We're all set, yeah, we're ready to go. The Kimber Gang maths are
Grimes,
show.
Mex,
Prepared for the ride.
Heyblade, Hydra, Brawl, Hose, Booty, Cootie,
Combined.
Half Skier, Half Yeet, Bergex, Fred, maybe Band-Aid, Lou, Swoop, MJ, Chaloob, Kev, Zarya, Raphael, Moses, Mad Lettuce, Dunnas,
4X, positive mindset, no need for stress. Equations
Lenny,
align, precisions
Riddler,
are
Rookie,
right. Kimber Gang
Casper,
here, we always
Hydra, I see you, Ace, Stiga, Lee, Quad, Chris, BX,
We've got the tools and
Opa, Lati Chef.
the day we calculate our
Shout outs to everybody for stopping by. Happy Sunday, y'all. Exclamation prepared, chat. Oh, yeah.
and we got the nerve.
Oh, yeah.
For the day we
Y'all ready?
with every solution we like the way. Down, we're breaking it down. Logic and heart in this
One thing my trainer, he told me,
He reaving, Young Soon. He reaving.
he just told us to be prepared.
yeah, we got it to share.
I love you guys, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Step by step, we work it out. Confidence grows, there's no
Let's
doubt.
go. Come on.
The gang's got your back, we're in this together. Through math and
Let's go, Lions.
forever. Through every problem, every twist, every turn. We've got the tools and we've got the nerve.
We've got each other, chat.
We calculate our way with every
Exclamation giveaway.
down, we're breaking it down. Logic and heart in this math loving town.
Hoot you, shit.
Rises, we're always prepared. Positive vibes, yeah, we've got it to share. When it feels too hard, just remember the code. Prepared and positive, lighten the load. We'll find the answer, we'll make it through. The Kimber Gang stands strong with you. Down,
We are up $500,000
breaking it down.
on Hoot you, shit. God damn. Why the fuck did I not do this years ago?
Always prepared. Positive vibes, yeah, we've got it.
We're up $500,000. It's gotta be testnet, chat. Even though you can copy trade, it's gotta be testnet. Wah. Good joy.
We hope you've had a great day. With
When I
Kimber
juice,
Gang,
y'all
we've
juice.
paved the way.
Exclamation giveaway.
Prepared and steady.
It's gotta be
We
testnet.
rise above with math and reason and a little love. We called the moves, we stayed aligned.
Exclamation YouTube, exclamation Discord.
With every step, the
Algar,
stars
thank you for the 2 gifted. You're a G.
No guessing games, no reckless turns.
Shout outs to everybody that gifted subs, man.
Live and learn.
Danny, Refu, Heyblade, Algar, let's get nasty on them.
We're the ones who see
The math is the math.
Kimber gang, we're feeling fine.
Are you ready, Lions?
A brighter day, a better climb.
Exclamation prepared.
With math and hope, it's all divine. Positivity
my trainer,
in
he told me,
every
he said,
call.
what did he say? He just told us to be prepared.
Prepared to rise, we'll never fall.
Exclamation prepared.
The numbers guide, the charts unfold.
30-minute candle close in 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
The truth is told.
I love you guys, chat.
Positivity in every call.
Chat, I'm gonna do my very best.
Prepared to rise.
Everything that I can to help as many people as I can
Guide, the charts unfold.
juice the fuck up this year. I hope
Kimber gang.
I can even have just a 1% impact. For some of you guys to make life-changing money this year. Might not be this week. Might not be this month. But we got a long way to go on the year. Ladies and gentlemen, bullish or bearish, long or short, we're all lions. Hey, never forget, no matter how differently we might see the markets, we all want the same thing. Don't we want to juice up just a little bit? We're all just trying to juice up a little bit, chat. Let's go. Math. I'm excited for tomorrow, chat. You guys are the best.
Keep moving forward, we've just
60 seconds on the 30-minute candle close, chat.
a brighter one to come.
One of the most beautiful songs right now. Do you like that one the most? Or you guys like this one? Because that one's the OG one. We've been bumping that for quite some time. But this one, this is the last song. After this, I'm out of here, okay? 30-minute candle close in 30 seconds, but I think it's safe to say that it's going to close inside of RTH gap, okay? So, hey, finally, bruh, we might be able to get a chance on this fucking box right here, okay? It's level to level. I better not come start stream tomorrow and people talking about I got wrecked. How? RTH hasn't even opened yet. What do you mean? I can understand you taking shots, but nobody should be getting wrecked pre-RTH. Come on. All right. So there you go. We have spent time. First 30-minute candle close inside of CME gap. You guys remember all these conversations that we had about this. The biggest thing is the RTH gap low in the CME. Same thing with S&P. Okay. If you go to 30-minute, we left the low like that. That's shitty. So both of them have sort of a gap, dip the tip and go kind of situation. Obviously, RTH ain't going to open for like another fucking 15 hours. So, all right, don't get got. All right, but don't be longing prematurely. Can we take a... Well, I got a dip right now, but if you rewind, I already looked at ETH and SOL and a whole bunch of other altcoins earlier today. So... All right, I think for the most part, you know what I want for SOL and ETH, right? That should be able to guide you on these ones, okay? I mean, you guys know what it is, okay? So it's just a matter, I think the toughest question would be like, do I take the setups that come before RTH? Sure, there's nothing wrong with that because you have CME back online round. Just understand that even if you have all the edge in the world, RTH tends to like to sweep weekend highs and lows. And don't just take my word for it. I think for the most part, you guys all know exactly what the fuck I'm talking about. So just assume that you're going to get round tripped if you're going to take a shot before RTH. All right? You guys good? I love you guys, man. Stay safe. I'll be on as early as I can. Hands up if you're going to be here early tomorrow, chat. I'm going to hold you guys to it. All right, Lee Kwok. Hey, we knew they were going to... Hey, it's a layup. Don't be pussyfooting now. Right, Lions? Don't be pussyfooting. Y'all remember 2 weeks ago, some of y'all missed this long, right? So what a fucking opportunity to prove it to ourselves. Round 2, chat. You got to get hyped. All right? And I'm going to try to give away like $250,000. Okay? Probably testnet, right? So when I juice, y'all juice. And I don't have my monitors mounted yet on the wall, so tomorrow morning it's going to be another laptop stream. I know it sucks. I'm hoping maybe Wednesday or Thursday I can be back on the desktop. All right, but probably tomorrow and Tuesday it's going to still be laptop stream, but we'll do our best. Sounds good? But the math don't change. The preparation don't change. And nah, Moses is the blessing, your dog. JV, you good? Something with trading, you good? Another day, another trade, another opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Let's run after it, Lions. All right? Hey, I'm not crying, you're crying. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Go, go, go.
Started the day with a plan in my mind. Marked up my charts, saw the stars align. Took my first shot, watched it run up high. I knew today would be worth the fight. There were moments I had my doubts. Stops got hit, had to ride it out. But through the losses, through the gains, every move just made me change. How do I say goodbye when it feels so right? Watch the candles rise, saw the levels shine. Took my trades, played my hand. It was all divine. But for now I close my screen. Till next time. Every pullback, every small mistake taught me lessons that I had to take. Wins and losses all a part
Chab,
of
I
play.
see you swoop.
And I know I'll
Chef,
be
not
back someday.
me. Hello, Kokwe, Mattia, Kai, Lutis, JV. Have an amazing rest of your weekend. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, chat. Let's go. Let's get after it. Big money, big money. Hannah Montana, Amanello, L'Elegante, Paratel, Nah, Snoop, Zupiter. Let's go, man. Fuck yeah. Look at you guys. I love you guys. Let's go. Could be big money this week, chat. Let's stay locked in.
Till next time.
Start putting together plans, chat. Frenzy, Casper, Ricky, Ghosted G, Tricks.
Another sunrise, another trend.
You guys are the best.
No, this isn't the end. It's just another
It's not a goodbye, it's a see you soon,
How do
right?
I say goodbye?
It's not a
when it
goodbye.
feels so right?
It's a see you later.
Watched the candles rise, saw the levels shine. Took my trades, played my hand. It was all divine.
Let's go.
But for now, I close my screen. Till next time. Till next time.
You guys are the best. Longers, shorters,
Till next time.
bulls, bears. We're all lions.
Till next time.
Hey, stay safe. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Sounds good? How many of you guys are gonna be here bright and early tomorrow? Youngsun, he reaving. Activate the manipulation. Youngsun, he reaving. Love you guys, man. Stay safe. RTH is gonna be incredible tomorrow. And then of course we got CPI on Wednesday. Chat, let's not get got. Let's not get got. Sounds good? Do your best. Stay safe. I salute y'all. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Peace, everybody. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Ka-choy!